Hey, this is an intro. My name's Apolez. Not really, but I discovered that name when I was creating a game, and I invented it. So I like that name, Apolez. So I'd like to call myself that for these sessions or whatever you would like to call them. My name's really Arlene, but Apolez I will go by. Now, I just wanted to start out by saying on disability, I have SSI. I have bipolar, and I can't hold a job. I wanted to. I've been living off for a year drugstore items that I found mostly at Walmart, and there was like a couple left items I had over from what was in my purse because I had to go to the hospital for like a year, and then I didn't go back to my apartment, so I don't have all my stuff. And I finally went out to buy makeup, and it was usually I'd go to like Sephora or something, but MAC I used to go to. This is a Maybelline Colossal. This is a mascara. I kind of wanted to put everything on when I showed you, so let me just put it on a little bit. I usually have the worst time putting on makeup. I'm not really like a expert. I did try my best. I don't even know. Okay. So there's that. I need contacts again. Also, I got CoverGirl. Clean Fresh. I like my face like white. I don't know, but I don't think I'm choosing probably the right colors. But I like it like lighter than not. So I went with this, and it kind of reminds me of like with the white hair on the judge in like England or something. That's that for now. And then I really love the liquid blushes. This is a CoverGirl Clean Fresh Dewy Tint. It says all over, but I use this as a blush. That time I picked a lot. I don't usually put that much. It looks kind of weird. Okay. I don't have the brush, but I just got two. Let's see. Okay, I think I put too much. But I like that. This is by Profusion Cosmetics Bright Lights. It's a neon, like, underliner, eyeliner. This. I don't put this on well, but it's cool pink. And which leads me to the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. I love liquid lipsticks. So as you see, I need a little help doing makeup. I should watch the YouTubes and stuff on it. I mean, I watched a couple, but I mean, really try. And then what I really love is this Revlon eyeliner. Where is it? Oh, here it is. You open it up, and that's the stuff. And you pop up the top, and there's your brush, which is really convenient. I can't really see, so. There we go. And I got, this is from the dollar store. I don't think it was really $1. It was like, anyway, under eye. It's a concealer. And I had some leftover stuff. This is, I don't even know who this is by, because it doesn't say, or got worn off. But it smells like the beach. It's like a lip balm, which is very nice. Leftover stuff from like Ipsy that I got mostly. And this Girl Attack. I think I first got it on Ipsy, but I went and ordered a bunch more because I love them. And I'm left with this one. And I think a mascara by Rion. And I got my tweezers in here, which I should use because my eyebrows need them. I also have leftover this, but it needs cleaning. This is a Lord Jones lip balm, 2 brushes, a Bobbi Brown mascara trial. This is Stilla's waterproof eyeliner. Let me see what color is this. Oh, this is like a charcoal. I think this is done. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. This looks like brookie. And the Batter Up eyeshadow stick. It's like green brown. Kind of like the girl's hat. I ordered from Ipsy the Icon, the Glam Bag, and the BoxyCharm. I also ordered a couple. These weren't like total add-ons because I got them separately. But I fell in love with this one. This came with 3 items. It's the Femu. It's a refiner, which is basically a toner. A serum and a moisturizer. I'm basically done with this moisturizer, but it has a little bit left, I think. But the one that I love out of these, or even not even picking one, it just came to me, is this serum, or not the serum, the refiner toner. Oh, it just smells beautiful, and it goes on like luxury. So I'm sold on this for toner. I got one of these bags. I'm so sad they don't have the bags in the, well, I guess it wasn't BoxyCharm, but I got 5 of these elastics because my hair was actually, I had to cut it short because it was all rotted or whatever. I got this Ring of Color lip gloss. It's in Sierra, which is okay. And I got a body scrub, which I want to use. And I love body scrubs. I think that's it. So I'm on a journey to find like what my makeup is. I forget like a lot of the stuff I got. Some of the stuff I do remember, but I don't have anymore. Like one of my favorite moisturizers was Kate Somerville's, but it was the one that had like green in it and it had like little flakes or something. I don't think she makes that anymore. I don't know, or I don't see it. So, well, there's that, and let's see. Well, I've been watching the unboxings and I love watching the unboxings. So I wanted to unbox and share with you what I get. And I'll also be reviewing other products and sharing on my channel. I hope you tune in, like and subscribe if you wish, and have a great day. Bye. Apolez out.